I'm going to show you how to order a birthday greetings. So you're going to log in into your account. And first, when you log in, you're actually redirected to make your first order. But if you're somewhere else, always navigate to send birthday greetings. And here we have right now the system is accepting greetings for July, August, and September. So you will have a list of people who have birthdays in July, in August, and in September. By clicking on these months, the month will then display. Then in each month you can search for people. So you can type and start searching. To add them to your selected birthdays list, you just hover over them and click the name you would like to add. If you want to remove them, just go to the selected birthdays here, hover over it, and click to remove. So select the people you would like to send greetings to for all 3 months, or just 1 month or 2. That's totally up to you. And then when you're happy with it, you can either save the progress or check out. The only difference here is that if you just save your progress, you can come back later and edit it any way you like. If you check out, your order is final and you cannot make any more changes. So I'm just going to save the process to show you how this works. So now the order was successfully created and saved, and if I go somewhere and log out and come back later, that order will be waiting for us there to be checked out. So now we're gonna go and check this order out, and we're gonna ask you, are you sure? Yes, finalize my order, and the system will refresh. And now, thank you for your order. You submitted your order, and now it's unpaid. So here's the overview, and here's the address where to send the check to, and also make the check payable to here. Here you have an overview of who you send it to. So we can see in July we're sending 7 greetings to these people, and so on. Our total is $24 due now. And that's how you create your first order.